Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to activate the demo mode on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced, and here we have to enter developer options. If you cannot find this option in your device, then just find the tutorial how to activate the developer options, and then let's return to this video. So let me tap on it, and here all we have to do is simply find the System UI demo mode. Now let's tap on it, and if you'd like to turn on the demo mode, just tap on the switcher right here. I know that actually nothing changed, because if you'd like to show the demo mode, you have to tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see here, we've got even some differences in the status bar, and after unrolling it, you can also see that, for example, in the Wi-Fi place, we've got the demo mode, not the exact name of the Wi-Fi. So actually, this is how to show and how to enable the demo mode. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on this switcher right here. So well, actually that's all. This is how to activate the demo mode in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.